Sandeep Singh is seen with two women, in fact, outside Sushant's residence on the day of Sushant Singh Rajput's death. The woman in the footage is Radhika Nihlani and Ria's assistant, as per actress Shibani Dandekar. But the question is, why was Sandeep Singh around the scene when he had not been in touch with Sushant or Ria for almost 10 months? So Sushant Singh Rajput's so-called best friend, Sandeep Singh, was not in touch with the actor for 10 long months, and then all of a sudden on the day of Sushant Singh Rajput's death he appears, and then he was seen all over the place, from Sushant's flat to the hospital and also outside the morgue. In fact, in this particular video, Sandeep Singh can be seen talking to two women. One of them is Radhika Nihlani, is what we're being told, and another one is Ria's assistant. This has been confirmed by actress Shibani Dandekar. But what was he talking about to these two women, and what in fact was Sandeep Singh doing in the first place, taking charge of the entire situation? Something that family friends of Sushant Singh Rajput also have questioned. Let's go across to Kajal, our Mumbai bureau chief, who's joining us on the broadcast with more details.
Okay. Now let's go to the last girl that we're thinking about, which Smita Parekh came out with that name, saying that, let's see what she said. Okay, I'm going to share that right now. Which यहाँ पे ना थोड़ा सा मुझे डिस्क्रिपेंसी इसलिए लगता है क्योंकि स्मिता पारेख का इंटरव्यू उज्जवल जी के साथ हुआ था अगस्त 28 को, एंड अगस्त 28 का जो वीडियो है उसमें शी नेम्स दैट गर्ल मेघना चड्डा करके, दैट शी कुड बी मेघना चड्डा. बट जब वो सीबीआई ऑफिस गई, दैट वाज सितंबर 5th. बट सितंबर 5th के वीडियो में शी सेज कि हाँ वो जो मिस्ट्री गर्ल है वो बैठी हुई है, बट आई डोंट नो लाइक उसका नाम नहीं पता. वो मुझे थोड़ा डिस्क्रिपेंसी वहां पे लगा. मे बी शी डिडंट वांट टू नेम, वही मैं सोच रही हूँ, मे बी शी जस्ट डिडंट वांट टू नेम. क्योंकि मैं इसलिए फिर जाके देख रही थी कि अच्छा उज्जवल जी के चैनल पे कब बोली थी ये. उज्जवल जी के चैनल पे मैं 28 को बोली, अगस्त 28 को. तो अगर अगस्त 28 को बोली है, दैट मीन्स हाउ इन सितंबर 5th if she saw that girl in CBI office, why is she not taking the name, right? That was a little bit odd for me. You guys can go check that out, but let me show you what she said when she came out of the CBI office, right? Share screen. Where is that one? Did I close it? No. Okay. So this is where she talks about that. Give me a second. I think I didn't share the audio. Let me share the audio. Oh my God, this is very tiring. Ye sharing karna. Share. Where is share audio? Okay, here.
All right, so my colleagues, they're telling us how Smita Parekh, a family.
This is Emily. She used to get rewarded by her company.
Friend of Sushant Singh Rajput has been questioned. She had made some strong revelations on the debate with Arnab Goswami. Let's listen into what she said soon after she came out of the DRDO guest house.
अंदर संदीप सिंह बैठे हैं और वो मिस्ट्री गर्ल भी बैठी हुई है, तो आई थिंक हम सब सही डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हैं.
मिस्ट्री गर्ल कौन?
जो मिस्ट्री गर्ल काफी दिनों से न्यूज में चल रही थी,
कौन? नाम महेश शेट्टी भी अंदर है. महेश शेट्टी हैं.
मैंने देखा नहीं, सब मास्क पहन के बैठे हुए थे. वेरी ऑनेस्ट, मैं आराम से लंच खा रही थी.
Okay, so you saw that she said कि मैंने like उसका नाम नहीं पता करके, right? नाउ लेट मी शो यू गाइस, क्योंकि वो वीडियो था जो मैंने अभी शेयर किया आपके साथ, वो है where is it, September 5th. Okay, that's when she had gone to the CBI. So now this video जहाँ पे उज्जवल, I don't know if there is another video after September where she's saying, but उज्जवल जी का जो वीडियो है जहाँ पे she says the मेघना चड्डा name, that's where it links a lot. And ये वाला है जहाँ पे मैं एक और चीज दिखाती हूँ आपको जो एक्चुअली किसी ने कनेक्ट ही नहीं किया, and I actually observed it right now. So let me show you what she says, right? And this one is on August 28th. So it's very surprising to me कि उसने तब नेम किया, but जब CBI ऑफिस गई तब क्यों नहीं नेम किया? Maybe that time she didn't, want to be naming her. So I'm going to play this video of them.
ये दोनों को रहने दो। तो यहाँ पर
Exactly.
ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता कि मैं देख रहा हूँ कि वो ब्रदर भी उनका साथ में जा रहा है पेरिस और यूरोप ट्रिप में।
हाँ, उसमें उनकी
strange है।
कोई उनकी फ्रेंड और ये जो पब्लिसिस्ट है मेघना चड्डा, जो कि शायद जो मिस्ट्री गर्ल हैं, वो भी गई थी यूरोप उनके साथ। तो इतना सारा कारवा लेके, और अपने ही साइड वाला कारवा है, उसमें सुशांत के कोई दोस्त या बहन कोई नहीं है। तो ये सब जा रहे हैं और ये सब हॉलिडे कर रहे हैं साथ में।
Did you guys hear that? Have you guys focused on that second sentence she said? So ये जो मेघना चड्डा की बात की कि वो मिस्ट्री गर्ल वो थी, did you hear the second sentence? मेघना चड्डा also was one of the person who went to Europe with her. Okay, so that to me also made me dig more into मेघना चड्डा, that वो शायद मेघना चड्डा ही है जो मिस्ट्री गर्ल उस दिन वहां पे थी, because that is why the guard would have allowed her inside. जब वो बोली कि मुझे जाना है, वो आके बोल रहा है कि किसी को अलाउड नहीं है, मैं तो इंग्लिश में बोल रही हूँ, वो हिंदी में कुछ बोला, राइट, कि किसी को जाने नहीं दे सकते करके। दैट्स व्हेन शी चेहरा करके वो इसलिए बोल रहा होगा क्योंकि वो देखना चाहता है, एंड उसको उसने पहचान लिया होगा, एंड बीच में वो कुछ बोलती है जो एक्चुअली हमें सुनाई नहीं दिया क्योंकि वो रिपोर्टर का आवाज सुनाई दे रहा था। सो शी वुड हैव टोल्ड समथिंग इन बिटवीन दैट he recognized her, and that is why he allowed her inside. क्योंकि अगर ये लड़की उनके साथ यूरोप भी गई थी, that is the point I'm trying to put here. So did you guys hear that? Tell me. ये लड़की यूरोप गई थी उनके साथ, so ये लड़की भी बहुत कुछ जानती है यूरोप के बारे में। ये लड़की as a publicist रिया के साथ गई थी, because if you remember, रिया had told Europe trip and SSR guard allowed, correct? That is why SSR guard allowed this girl inside, because he would have seen her come in and go with them, right? That is why. Yes, Meghna Chadda, yes. See, I have remember seeing Smita Parekh talk to Ujjwal ji before, but I had never focused on that particular sentence कि ये लड़की भी गई थी यूरोप। इसका मतलब इस लड़की को उनको इंटरोगेट करना पड़ेगा टू नो मोर अबाउट व्हाट वेंट ऑन इन यूरोप, बिकॉज अगर ये लड़की उनके साथ गई थी तो ये उनके साथ घूम रही थी, रिया के साथ थी, बिकॉज ये रिया को हेल्प करने गई थी शायद, बिकॉज रिया हैड गॉन ऑन ए प्रिटेंस ऑफ डूइंग सम शूट देयर, करेक्ट? वी नो दैट कि उसने पहले अपने आई थिंक पब्लिसिस्ट के थ्रू कुछ बुक किया था, एंड देन बाद में when she would have mentioned that to Sushant, he would have told, okay, just upgrade your stuff or whatever, and he would have upgraded her to the first class or business class flight, right? तो वो सब हुआ था, ये हमें पता है। अब ये बात निकल के आ गई कि ये लड़की भी वहां पे गई थी, so she is a very important person. She needs to be interrogated to know more about Europe, to know more about what happened there in Europe, because as far as we know, we only know Shovik gaya tha and Riya gayi thi, so these are the only people sharing stuff. So the only other person who can know little more about Europe में और कुछ हुआ होगा या कहाँ गए होंगे is this girl. She is a very important कड़ी यहाँ पे अभी. Meghna Chadda, Vin Joseph is telling true. Yes, Vin. Yes, Emma. Analyze by Meghna Chadda also. अच्छा, मेघना, yes, हमने ये बात किया था, बट हमने ये भी बात किया था एट दैट टाइम कि वी आर, इफ वी कंपेयर हर ऑल द अदर स्टफ, जिस तरह वो दिख रही है, बट वो उसकी तरह मैच नहीं हो रही है. दैट्स व्हाट वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट टाइम. बट नाउ लुकिंग एट दिस स्टफ दैट स्मिता पारेख टोल्ड, that ये लड़की भी उसके साथ गई थी, and now it kind of connects everything because that is the reason that the guard allowed her inside, जबकि वो बोल रहा था कि I can't allow anybody, ऐसा कुछ बोल रहा था, but he allowed because he recognized her, right? So that is the reason he allowed. Now I will show you guys the her pictures and how we can connect her well with it. क्योंकि the reason before I have also seen Meghna Chadda's pictures. I didn't have a very recent picture and I was looking for a recent picture of hers to compare कि क्या ये लड़की हो सकती है करके, क्योंकि उसका body shape मिल रहा था, but उसका जो complexion है वो नहीं मिल रहा था, वो मुझे darker लग रहा था. But now I watching this walking video many times, I realized that it is just the sun reflecting on her that is making her look like she is fair complexion, but she is not. क्योंकि पीछे से आप देखोगे तो पता चलता है कि वो उसका complexion थोड़ा darker ही है, like wheatish है, not darker, wheatish है. Cedar Spring, yes, it makes sense, correct. Yes, Europe trip was not being known. Thanks for clearing. Correct. या यूरोप ट्रिप का हमने फोकस ही नहीं किया था, क्योंकि अगर हम फोकस करते तो सडनली हम चड्डा के ऊपर ही बाउंस करते कि और डिक करते कि अरे या ये चड्डा ही हो सकती है करके, राइट? बट हम लोग किसी और के ऊपर फोकस कर रहे थे. तो अब समझ में आ रहा है कि व्हाई द गार्ड अलाउड हर इनसाइड. सब मजे कर रहे थे सुशांत के पैसे पे. एग्जैक्टली. सो नाउ लेट मी शो यू लिटिल मोर ऑफ द दिस गर्ल्स pictures that I have found. Now these are old pictures and that's the reason I was trying to see, and I found something new. I'll show you because ये exactly जैसे कि शिबानी दांडेकर ने कहा था, वो राधिका निहलानी के साथ काम करती है ये लड़की, क्योंकि ये भी थिंकिंग कम्युनिकेशंस की लड़की है. सो दैट इज, आई विल शो यू दैट बिकॉज वो राधिका निहलानी के इंस्टाग्राम पे, जब मैं अभी राधिका का दिखा रही थी आपको, उसी पे है. And that is how I could connect this girl, because I was trying to find connections where I can genuinely say कि ये वो लड़की है, right? So let me show you guys her picture. So some things were not connecting for me. जबकि मैं I think सोम के चैनल पे भी जब गई थी, मैं बोल रही थी कि स्मिता झूठ क्यों बोलेगी, स्मिता पारेख क्यों झूठ बोलेगी कि वो मेघना चड्ढा है, right? So that was what was going on in my head कि वो झूठ क्यों बोलेगी, उसको झूठ बोल के क्या मिल रहा है करके. So that is what I feel now connects kind of. Okay, let me show you this. So this is a 2015 picture. This is a picture I took from the Kwan girls, and this is the same thing we had shared on Varun's channel, if you remember, when we did the mystery girl thing. We had shared this picture and told कि ये लड़की का body तो मिलता है, but ये wheatish है, right? Wheatish color की है. तो इसलिए we were not able to match completely with the eyes and everything, and we just figured like, we don't know, we didn't have a latest this thing, so we thought ये नहीं हो सकती, मैच नहीं हो सकती. But actually body मिलता है. If you see the body shape, she has a longer torso here, right? Longer body, and everything matches. We were only confused with the color, but वो color ये देखो, जैसे कि इसमें मेकअप की है, ऐसे दिख रही है. 2015 का पिक्चर है again, okay, I have to be sure. And this is a picture I took from where if you actually look for Kwan girls, that means this girl was with Kwan before. Okay, again we are establishing connections here. She was with Kwan before, तो वो connection आपको दिखाऊंगी. And now she is with Radhika Nihlani as a उस publicist के साथ काम कर रही है in thinking communication. So if you see this one here, this is a picture from 2016. Okay, you can see how much of a difference दिख रहा है without makeup, with makeup, right? This is her, मेघना. So again, ये मैंने कहीं किसी Facebook लिंक से लिया था. So I knew, क्योंकि वहां पे तीनों का नाम एक एक करके लिखा था. So I knew कि ये थर्ड लड़की वो हो सकती है करके. So then again when I come here, if you see, so this is 2016 picture, whereas this is 2015 पिक्चर. यहाँ पे देख सकते हो ये सेम लड़की है, बट शी लुक्स वेरी फेयर. ये पूरा मेकअप है यहाँ पे ज्यादा, बट यहाँ पे यू कैन सी दैट मेकअप, you can't see much of a makeup. Now see her hairline. This is what I was confused with, because if you see this, but this is an old picture again. This is 2016 picture, okay? She has very thick hair. ये hair यहाँ सब है उसका, right? So that is why I was not able to connect it. But if you come down here, you can see very thick hair, and her eyes kind of would match with the mystery girl we're talking about, right? The eyes, if you try to compare the eyes, let's compare here. If you just see the eye part, she also has like darker kind of eyes here, right? And then this coming like little more long, right? So, and यहाँ पे भी, right? Little bit वो match होता है. Now let's look at this again. If you see, yes, if she would have pulled her hair back, and still you can see all this blackness here, right? So this to me matches her. Now let us see another picture. So those are the two pictures I found, 2015 and 2016, right? Now let me show you another. Okay, so let me show you that quant connection I was talking about, right? वो वाला मैं आपको शेयर करती हूँ यहाँ पे, जहाँ मुझे ये मिला, जो ये वाला हमने एक्चुअली प्रीवियस सेशन में भी एक बार शेयर किया है, because that's how I had found her pictures when I shared on Varun's channel. This is how I had found her pictures at that time. If you go to this one here, right? If you see this picture, I hope you're able to see it. So ye Quan girls, correct? And this is back in यहाँ पे, if you see, it says PR World, meet the girls who work behind the scenes to make celebrities look good. Okay, so these are all Quan PRs. If I click on that and go to the next screen, this is what we had shared on Warren's channel. But at that time, we were not finding much link. But now I feel like पूरा link हो रहा है. वो सिर्फ complexion की वजह से मैं छोड़ रही थी. तो यहाँ पे you can see it's named Divya Tejuja 29, Megha Chadda 30, Meghna Chadda 33 and Divya Chaturvedi 30. Okay, तीनों का. But then ये किस order में है वो नहीं पता था मुझे, right? So that's why I had to compare with few other pictures with her other Facebook picture to actually connect. So now I'll make another connection that says that itself is Meghna. And okay, are you guys? Hold on. Oh, you guys are not able to see this. Okay, let me stop sharing this. I think you guys were not able to see that. Because मैं next screen पे गई, वो वाला आप देख नहीं पा रहे थे. Let me share it again. Let me share this other screen again, क्योंकि वो दूसरे स्क्रीन पे गई तो फिर वो दिखाई नहीं देता आपको. अच्छा, ये वाला था जो अगर वो जो क्वान लड़कियों को दिखा रहे थे ना, उसमें क्लिक करोगे तो इट कम्स टू दिस आर्टिकल विच सेज मीट द गर्ल्स हु वर्क बिहाइंड द सीन्स टू मेक सेलिब्रिटीज लुक गुड, राइट? तो यहाँ पे इन तीनों का नाम लिखा हुआ है एंड दिस इज वेयर आई हैड टू काइंड ऑफ एनालाइज कि ये करेक्ट ऑर्डर में लिखा है या फिर ये अलग लिखा है, टू एक्चुअली कंपेयर कि कौन सी लड़की किसके नाम पे है, करेक्ट? सो फॉर दैट आई हैड टू go and do little more research with that other picture I showed you guys. तो वहां पे भी उसी लड़की के साथ वो नाम लिखा हुआ था, मेघना चड्डा करके. That's how I was connecting, and I'll show you another connection which kind of proves the whole thing. तो यहाँ पे if you see, it says we all come from PR backgrounds and we meet each other while working at ID Communications and the PR wing of CAA Quan. Okay, तो ये Quan के लिए काम कर रही थी पहले, and now she is with Ink Communications. But I don't know if they're still connected to Quan, right? Because they were told as Quan PRs even on the news channels when they told that ये लोग कौन है करके. And so यहाँ पे लिखा है we focused on entertainment PR specializing celebrity blah blah blah, and they're talking about the people that they manage: Kangana Ranaut, Nargis, Sid Malia, Lara Datta, Shruti Hassan, Abhay Deol, and then of course यहाँ पे नीचे we also saw that Sushant Singh Rajput का नाम था. Where was that? यहाँ पे कहीं सुशांत का भी नाम था. Where they talk about the guys they were managing, there was somewhere, या दूसरा स्क्रीन था वो शायद, जहाँ पे सुशांत का भी नाम आता है. Was it here? Maybe it was another screen. Okay, so these are PRs of Quan, but what now they're working with Ink Communications, but ये लड़की बहुत ज़्यादा लिंक करती है. Okay, Now let me share another one here that connects very well with this same girl. That is यार बार बार शेयर करके तक रही. Okay, share what I'm going to share now. Radhika Nilani. Okay, share screen. Because even though I have the picture, I want to show the link, right? Because that makes more sense and more genuine when we show that. Okay, ये राधिका नेलानी का Instagram जो मैंने आपको पहले भी दिखाया, इसमें if you go down here, you will see the link here. Okay, इससे भी I could not find her link, but यहाँ पे you can see that you can link exactly with her name. ये जो लड़की यहाँ पे है, are you able to see it? Let me check that first. Okay, you are able to see it. वो जो लड़की जो right side on the top दिख रही है, वो है मेघना, and her name है वहाँ पे मेघना. Okay, so these are all the Think in Communication का girls. Okay, so ये जो इसका body shape सब है, it matches very well, and ये वाला जो है इसने June 25th को डाला है, which is recent, correct? So here you can see her hair and everything. So now I will show you guys. ये तो मैंने दिखा दिया. यहाँ सब जगह मैं ढूंढी, इसका जो Instagram है वहाँ पे सब जगह जाके ढूंढी कि to find a link somewhere to Meghna's Instagram, but I could not find that. So now let me show this close up to you guys. This same picture I'm going to show you guys close up, and if you can see it's June 25th. This is a recent picture. Okay, जहाँ पे वो अपने ग्रुप के साथ बात कर रही है, and she has put a picture there, right? Kind of Zoom call या जो भी कर रही होगी. So now let me show you guys. What was I? God, I'm losing my train of thought. इसके बाद क्या दिखाने वाली थी? अच्छा, यही same picture close up दिखाती हूँ. So that's the same picture I showed you guys now. This picture, right? जहाँ पे ये लड़की जो है, ये है मेघना चड्ढा. And it's written here clearly Meghna. Now let me show you a close up of that. There's a close up. Okay. Hold on. इनका आकाश जी का कहाँ है comment highlighted? इसको थोड़ा निकाल देती हूँ. Okay. That is Meghna. So do you see? It's the same girl. See, she doesn't look that dark now, right? And then she also, her hair, look at her hair. It's all pulled back here. You can see that. And of course, ये अब एक साल के बाद है, but still you can see that there's, because जो pictures मैंने दिखाया वो 2015-2016 का था. So this would be a much more good comparison. So now let's see this picture again. Right? Matches, correct? Not too much of a difference. क्योंकि यहाँ पे बीच में partition है नहीं. यहाँ पे जिस तरफ बाल pulled है, it's not also exactly like Rakul Preet's. Now you can see that how dark her hair is and how dark her eyes match, because her eyes, if you see, are kind of like that dull kind of eyes. So that is her. Okay, now let's go back and watch her walk again. And if you see from the back when she's coming, you can compare कि उसका जो body shape है ना, वो match करता है इस body shape से. She has a little bit, longer body, and she's taller, and you can see her torso, everything matches, correct? So, and don't forget your old pictures. So only the recent picture was this one that I showed you guys now. Let me flash that again. Okay, we're only talking about this girl here. Don't look at Ria because वो Ria है नहीं. And then the picture कहाँ गया? अच्छा, again here. Okay, so it looks like it could be her. And जिस तरह वो हिंदी में बोल रही है, now it kind of debunks कि शायद वो Simone नहीं है. And Simone, if you see her Instagram later also, she looked very much leaner in her structure, right? She doesn't have a heavy bottom. Let me put it that way. So let me go back now to comparing. So now I think that it is Radhika Nehlani. ये जो लड़की है ये राधिका नेलानी है और जो दूसरी लड़की उसके साथ है वो ये है जो मेघना चड्ढा है. So of course now I can say that Smita Parekh was not lying here, because what will she get by lying? One. Second, अगर CBI ने बुलाया है, that means CBI ने अपना ड्यू डिलिजेंस तो किया होगा, right? This is what I was mentioning before also, that CBI अगर बुलाई होगी. But I also kept thinking that what if they're covering up? If they are, if it is Rakul Preet, then they would want to cover it up. If it is someone like Simone, they would want to cover it up. So ये लड़कियां क्योंकि इतने लोगों को ये किसी को जानती नहीं है या something, it is possible that they will cover up for these celebrities. So that was also going on in our head. But I think now I am clear with the mystery girl. That's why I wanted to do this video कि सबके बारे में बात करके डिबंक करके दिखा दूं कि शायद यही लड़की हो सकती है, मेघना चड्ढा हो सकती है करके. Then another thing what I had here to show you guys. I'm trying to see, did I miss anything? Okay, we talked about her video. We talked about Smita Parekh mentioning. And the biggest thing that I found today, or when I was looking at it before, was the thing that Smita said about her going to Europe. That's it was like a biggest revelation to me that ये लड़की भी गई थी करके. So this girl should know much more, and I feel, I don't know, maybe CBI has interrogated her for that reason, because CBI के पास इतना तो information होगा, right? कौन-कौन इसके साथ यूरोप गया था या कौन नहीं गया था. So maybe that was the reason that she was also called, not because just that she came there. And don't forget the fact that ये अंदर गई है जब सब चल रहा था, right? And then उसके बाद जब बाहर निकल रहे हैं दोनों, they are been inside for a long time, because according to me, जब वो निकल रहे हैं बाहर, it is after the ambulance and everything left, and they're talking to Sandeep and that guy in that black dress, another guy is standing there. So Sandeep and that guy would have known ये कौन है करके, तो ये CBI को बताए होंगे कौन है वो लोग करके, right? So I think I will trust CBI this time कि उसने शायद सही लड़की को पकड़ा था करके. So at least one good thing out of that. Then what else I was going to share? I think I'm done. We reached, हाँ कितना टाइम हो गया अभी? Let me take the comments now to see what you guys think. Okay, is the comments. Okay, मैं थोड़ा end में देख रही हूँ. So if you want to comment, please start commenting in the end, क्योंकि I can't go to the starting. तो अगर कुछ question है तो please end में comment कीजिए so that I can take the questions right now. So I think we are done. We kind of debunked everybody. Jamila नहीं थी वो, and Rakul भी शायद नहीं हो सकती है. And oh yeah, I wanted to show you guys again this video so that you can compare again with what all we have seen so far, right? Compare again the body structure. And walk तो compare नहीं कर सकते because we don't have her walking anywhere. But body shape you can compare, and you can see जब वो पीछे से आ रही होगी ना, तब देखो वो बहुत मिलती जुलती है इस पूरा बॉडी से, right?
Sandeep Singh is seen with two women, in fact, outside Sushant's residence on the day of Sushant Singh Rajput's death. The woman in the footage is Radhika Nehlani and Ria's assistant, as per actor Shibani Dandekar. But the question is, why was Sandeep Singh around the scene when he had not been in touch with Sushant or Ria for almost 10 months? So Sushant.
So you see that's the kind of picture when she's coming nearer, right? जो side कर रही है ऐसे सब. That time she looks a lot like Meghna Chadha. She is like, you can see that she is Meghna Chadha. वहाँ पे उसका जो complexion color है वो भी similar दिखता है, wheatish दिखता है. It doesn't look dark or light. But जब वो बहुत आगे आ जाती है, that is when you see little light, because there is a lot of sunlight falling on her. That's why maybe in the cameras she looks like she is much more fair complexion when she comes in the middle. But जब पीछे से अगर आप देखोगे and वो जिस तरह side मुड़ रही है, उसका जो side angle का जो प्रोफाइल दिखता है and all, and look at her body and everything, it is her.
Sandeep Singh is seen with two women, in fact, outside Sushant's residence on the day of Sushant Singh Rajput's death. The woman in the footage is Radhika Nihlani and Ria's assistant, as per actor Shibani Dandekar. But the question is, why was Sandeep Singh around the scene when he had not been in touch with Sushant or Ria for almost 10 months? So Sushant Singh Rajput's so-called best friend, Sandeep Singh, was not in touch with the actor for 10 long months, and then all of a sudden on the day of Sushant Singh Rajput's death he appears, and then he was
अभी भी हम इंतजार कर रहे हैं कि पुलिस शायद कुछ बताए। आप देखिए एम्बुलेंस वहां आई है। अब कोई और अंदर गया है, लेकिन अभी कोई जानकारी नहीं मिल पा रही है, बाहर नहीं आ पा रही है कि आखिर क्या हुआ, क्यों हुआ और कैसे हो गया। ये तस्वीरें आप देख रहे हैं सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के घर की। पुलिस अब उनकी डेड बॉडी को लेकर जाने वाली है पोस्टमार्टम के लिए। अभी उनके घर में इसकी जान।
So we saw that, right? From the back also you can see uska body shape, wo jis uska, because she's a tall and a good personality girl, and that's why the way she walks, you can make out that that is, you know, how she's like. It seems like it is her. So yes, I'll come back to the comments now. Okay. Deepa ji, yes, Europe trip is very crucial. Ria sheet was planned to trap SSR, correct. Ma'am, Ria, Deepesh Pitani, Sallu dislike the video. Yeah, I don't care who dislikes the video. From the beginning, we know that the downfall of SSR strategically planned with the Europe. Yes, Europe trip में कुछ हुआ है जहाँ से सब कुछ नीचे गया है उसके बाद, right? And there are a lot of things that still ED has not found from their Euro trip. वो जहाँ stop किए थे, right? They had gone to Switzerland also. Dubai में एक stop हुआ था. So a lot of things that ED is still trying to find out. I don't know if they found out anything or they're still trying to find out कि वहाँ पे क्या किस लिए गए होंगे, कुछ तो पर्पस होगा वहाँ पे. It was not just a shoot. ये शूट का बहाना की है so that वो also उसके साथ आ जाए and they have a trip. But plan बहुत कुछ था. SSR is only connected to Disha case. Otherwise, these people could have still enjoyed on SSR money. Pushpa ji is telling, but as per the news, only Ria and Shovik were there in Europe. Correct. Nobody mentioned her, right? But अगर हमें याद है तो, if you remember, because news channel में क्यों बोलेंगे? वो तो ऐसी जनरल बोल रहे होंगे ना, that Ria के शोविक के साथ रिया भी गई थी. But if you remember, वो शूट के लिए गई थी, right? She had told that मैं अपने शूट के लिए जा रही थी. So basically, ये जो लड़की है ये उसके असिस्टेंट की तरह गई है, तो शूट का बहाना करके ये तो उसको लेके जाएगी, right? So I would not think that Smita would be lying about that. And that is another good reason of guard recognizing her. I mean, even if they didn't go to Europe, अगर वो वहाँ पे आ रही होगी, जा रही होगी, तो guard is going to recognize her. As Ria's assistant, if she was coming there to the house and going, then he would have recognized, no matter what. Sushant was generous. मजे करने में कोई बुराई नहीं है. What was the need to kill him so brutally? Yeah, the need to kill him was many other reasons, right? Himelji, it was not just if it was just money, they would have swindled him for a little more time, and then he would have eventually died somewhere with overdose or कहीं ले जाते गोवा में, कुछ ना कुछ हो जाता उसके साथ, right? But ये सब गड़बड़ दिशा की वजह से हुआ है, that they had to finish him fast. That is for sure. That's why Disha and his case are connected. Look at her hands. Yes, her hands actually match. The way her hand shape is, it matches. Only thing I think पहले से मैं सोच रही थी was only because of I had found her old pictures, right? और उसके old picture में इतना dark hair और इतना यहाँ सब hair सब दिखता है कि it was not. I was finding it hard to match it. One, and then another, but the body shape was matching. That was the only thing that was matching. And the other thing that was not matching was the complexion. It looked like the girl who was coming out was much more fair skin. But if you see, जब sun बहुत रिफ्लेक्ट करता है आपके ऊपर तो ऐसा दिख सकता है. So if you watch those videos in many angles, you will see कि वो जब पीछे से आ रही है शेड में, you can see her real color actually there. लाइट कलर से होगा मैच, करेक्ट। क्योंकि जब कैमरास में व्हेन यू गेट कैप्चर्ड ना, यू कैन बी वेरी यू कैन लुक मच लाइटर देन यू आर. Kwan has a big role in SSR murder, exactly, because see, you can see the Kwan connection here also. I mean, here what we are seeing it everywhere, but she was connected. That is why all these girls are connected, because ये सब Kwan, Cornerstone, अब ये जो Think Inc, Communication, सारे girls connected है. यहाँ काम करते हैं, फिर यहाँ आके कुछ करते हैं. You know, everything is connected. These girls are connected with each other everywhere. That's why, you know, she would have come. Maybe रिया को भी Kwan से पैसा मिल रहा था, right? So वैसे this girl would have come trying to be like Riya's publicist and working for her. No ma'am, that is Thai. No, that is not Thai, Archana. वो Thai है ही बिल्कुल नहीं है. दूसरी वाली मुझे नहीं लगता, जो मैंने आपको अभी दिखाया उसके हिसाब से मुझे वो मेघना चड्ढा ही लग रही है. Otherwise, how come Riya failed you more than SSR? All Riya's friends are drug peddlers. Exactly. ये लड़की सेम लग रही है. Notice her body language around ads, right? Yeah, वो body language और hands के हिसाब से मैं सिमोन सोच रही थी पहले, because सिमोन का मैं थोड़ा compare कर सकती थी because of her walk, right? But now it seems like it might be. Yes, we studied Meghna Chadha. This girl's plays look alike role in background also of actress, right? Same article, same, right? Thanks to XSR for exposing all this. Yes, Gemini. I've stopped everything. It's all over for them. पढ़को अच्छा, ये कुछ और टॉपिक है. Rest in peace, Bollywood. Yes, we can say that. Europe trip is very mysterious. Riya stopped over at Dubai too, correct. And Singh also went to Dubai after Sushant's death. Yes, what is the Dubai connection? Like I said, and Simone's family is in Dubai. Her whole family is actually in Dubai. Okay, where was I? I think I came to the end of the comment now. सारे connected है. If any questions, please put it right now, because मैं पूरा पीछे नहीं जा रही हूँ, because पूरा लंबा हो जाएगा फिर. सारे connected है. Dino, Rahul Kanal, Baby Penguin, Riya, and Riya का connection with Salman's sister Arpita, correct. And Rahul Kanal का connection with Salman Khan, yes. And we already know कि Rahul Kanal, Zishan Siddiqui, सूरज पंचोली, ये सब जाके मुंबई पुलिस से मिले हैं. उनको कुछ ना कुछ अवार्ड दिए, कुछ ना कुछ दिखा रहे हैं on a pretense. They have gone on a pretense of filing some FIR on some other people, but they have gone for this whole reason, क्योंकि वो जब गए हैं, it is all between that, just after Sushant's death, in that June 17th, 15th, 17th time is when all these people have gone and met Parambir Singh, Tremoke. They've all met them. Why? Right? Why would they want to meet them? वो जो reason दे रहे हैं on a pretext of putting some case on Puneet Vashist or putting case on some news reporter, that's all BS to me. 200%. So ये लोग सब गए थे just to make sure that कुछ भी बाहर नहीं निकले, and they make sure that everything is handled. That is what they went there to do. And ये पूरा सर्कल है, ये जो राहुल केनाल, बेबी पेंगुइन, ये अभी की बात नहीं, बहुत पहले से मैं बोलते आ रही हूँ कि ये पूरा एक सर्कल फ्रेंडशिप सर्कल है. एंड इफ यू रिमेंबर, दे ऑल गॉट कोविड एट द सेम टाइम टू. जीशान सिद्दीकी, मनीष मल्होत्रा, and Baby Penguin all got COVID at the same time. Go watch, check their Instagrams. It's exactly same time they all got COVID. It matches, right? Yes, Sarah Springji, yes, Swapna. I also think it matches. What is this? Notice her eyes, hairline, and earlobe makes the match. Correct. Yeah, that's what, even if I see that side picture, right? The side of her and the ear here and everything, it also, to me, it does match to Meghna Chadha now that I look at it. Even the eyes, it's like a little bit inside eyes. She has a little bit inside eyes, but of course her lashes would be darker. If you see, her hair is dark, right? So her lashes would be darker, and that's why it looks like that. Meghna Chadha and Radhika, correct. Thank you, Himanji. I mean, actually, CBI has nailed it, but at last we nailed it now. CBI ने बहुत पहले नेल किया है. हम लोग डाउट कर रहे थे CBI के ऊपर कि did they actually get the right person? But I think now that yes, they got to the right person. हाँ, एक ही प्रोफेशन से है, इसलिए दोनों एक साथ दिखी और अंदर लेने के. करेक्ट. एंड बट देन वन शी वाज एंटरिंग, शी वाज अलोन एक्चुअली, क्योंकि वो बहुत जल्दी गई होगी, इससे पहले गई होगी शायद, राधिका से पहले गई होगी. सो इमेजिन वो इतना, व्हाई शी, द वे शी वेंट इन, राइट, शी वाज रनिंग एंड लाइक हरिंग एंड गोइंग, मुझे ऊपर जाना है करके गार्ड को बोल के जा रही है. क्या करने गई थी वो ऊपर, क्या करने गई थी इतना? शी इज Riya's assistant, Riya's publicist. So what was there? That means she went on behalf of Riya to remove certain things there, to check certain things there, because ye Europe bhi gayi thi, don't forget that link. So there is a lot of things that probably this girl also went to hide. Who told Smita about it? Smita को उसके सर्कल से मिला होगा कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन, राइट? सो हो सकता है, बट वही, दैट्स द ओनली थिंग आई फाउंड, दैट वो अगस्त 28 को उज्जवल जी के चैनल पे बोलती है नाम, बट सितंबर 5 को जब वो जाती है, दैट मीन्स शी नोस हु इट इज, बट मे बी पर्पसली बिकॉज न्यूज चैनल्स वर आस्किंग her, maybe she didn't want to name it at that time, so maybe that's why she didn't name it. You cracked it. Thank you Deepa ji. Yeah, ये कुछ दिन actually मैं I think last week only I had kind of looked at all this, but the thing is time नहीं मिल रहा था to do the video on it. Like you saw today also, I came so late. I'm hardly getting time to do anything, so that's why मेरा थोड़ा लेट हो जाता है सब कुछ. I endorse. You endorse me, Deepa ji? Thank you very much. If you're talking about endorsing me. मेघना हेयर्स के करने से फंस गई, हेयर्स के कारण फंस गई. अच्छा, थैंक यू कृष्णा जी. 100% कर रही है with the mystery girls. Thank you Sasmita ji. So I think we can kind of lay the mystery to rest right now, according to me. Again, people may not agree with me and they may still have other opinions, which is totally fine. But I think I am good with what I've done. That I think that it is her. Thank you, Bharat ji. ताई से सिमिलैरिटी है, इसलिए हम सब कंफ्यूज हो रहे थे. करेक्ट, ताई से सिमिलैरिटी है बिकॉज ऑफ द बॉडी शेप, राइट? बॉडी शेप देखोगे तो थोड़ा ताई भी तो थोड़ा हेवी है, राइट, एट सर्टेन प्लेसेस, तो इसलिए हमें थोड़ा सा वो ताई के साथ भी लग रहा था स्टार्टिंग में. नो डाउट इन दैट. What was she doing over there? Exactly. That means, see, if this girl had gone to Europe too, then there is a lot there, right? That she would have gone maybe on behalf of Riya. She's gone there to do certain things or to remove certain things. क्योंकि कितना rush में जा रही थी. That itself tells a lot. The way she went in, she was really hurrying to go inside. And उसके बाद वो राधिका नेलानी आई होगी वहाँ पे, and they were there the whole time because according to me, when they are coming out, they are coming out only after everything, the ambulance, सब कुछ निकल गया था, तब ये रिलैक्स होके बाहर आ रहे हैं. अच्छा, heads up, you cracked it. Thank you. You're telling me only. Thank you so much. Just imagine, Hema ji, all in industry know about it since 1 year and we're struggling to find, right? Nobody will come and exactly tell you, right? क्योंकि CBI कर रहा होगा अपनी काम, so that's why nobody want to take names. That's the problem. So at least I appreciate that Smita, at least took the name. So Kwan sends managers for private trips as well. हाँ, जब वो shoot के लिए जा रही होगी, right? When you go on shoots and all, people do go there with you as your publicist or as your assistant or something for doing certain things. But यहाँ पे reason कुछ और होगा, ये अलग बात है. But they have gone, they have sent her also. देखो, उसका भी trip handle किया होगा. That means SSR ने, right? also known Ria very well, so makes complete sense. Correct. They have known Ria very well. That's why they have gone on behalf of her. Meghna Chadha also has the name in Ria call history. Correct. I have to look at the call history actually. I remember Radhika Nehlani के साथ उसका call history है. She has talked Radhika Nehlani से उसका बात 14th को हुआ है. तो she would have called her also कि जाने के लिए वहाँ पे. If you pay attention, there is a bag lying in front of the left of Sushant's body. Achha, are you talking about the red bag that are compared to Mahesh Shetty's bag, right? बिल्कुल हो सकता है वो उसका बैग नहीं भी हो सकता है, उसका बैग हो भी सकता है because he did go and meet him in May sometime. So कुछ भी it could be just that reason also. Hemaji, now we need to know what they did there, but that is the job of investigators. Correct. Not sure when CBI will file charge sheet, right? So अगर CBI उसको बुलाई होगी so then it is their job that they should have found out more about her and you know कि वो क्यों गई थी वहां पे या यूरोप ट्रिप के बारे में भी they could have questioned her a lot. So I don't know if they did that, right? We don't know that. अच्छा ये क्या बोल रहे हैं वो उस बैग के लिए भी आई हो सकती है कुछ भी हो सकता है करेक्ट कुछ भी हो सकता है कुछ चीजें क्लियर करने आई होगी बिकॉज सी वी हैव हर्ड स्मिता से दैट रिया वाज टेलिंग कि मेरा ये छूट गया वहां पे वो छूट गया वो नहीं दे रहे हैं या मैं कैसे उसको लूं करके एंड स्मिता टेलिंग her कि यू कैन गो टू द कॉप्स राइट इफ यू वांट समथिंग जस्ट गो टू द पुलिस एंड ट्राई टू गेट योर थिंग्स करके दैट कॉन्वर्सेशन एंड ऑल इफ यू रिमेंबर सो उस दिन भी बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी हो सकती है